The Pfizer vaccine is great news. We all know that, but experts warn we've still got a very long road ahead. Dr. Anthony Fauci says we should continue measures like social distancing during the rollout. You all have heard this before. He believes we'll likely be wearing masks for most of 2021. Now, that timeline depends on how many of us actually get the vaccine. That's why this is crucial. Jonathan Bigliotti joins us now from Santa Monica in hard-hit California. Jonathan, good morning to you. What can you tell us about the situation there?
And good morning to you, Gail. The situation is so dire here in California that hospitals like St. John's here in Santa Monica have set up tents like this in their parking lot to deal with the possible overflow of COVID patients. Those patients will be brought through this tent and then entering here through this area where they will be treated and they will recover. This is all necessary because in the Central Valley, all ICU beds are gone. Just 3% of beds are left here in Southern California as the death toll continues to rise.
America's hospitals are under siege as doses of the first coronavirus vaccine arrive on the front lines. In California, hospitalizations are up almost 250% in the last month. At USC Medical Center in Los Angeles, capacity is falling fast.
This morning, we had no more ICU beds. We were completely full.
Dr. Frank Lavecchio works in the ER at Valleywise Medical Center in Phoenix. He says his hospital is treating more coronavirus patients than at any other phase of the pandemic.
The positives are it's almost over. The negatives are it's going to be a tough haul for at least the next 90 days. I think we're going to be, at capacity, over capacity.
There are now more than 110,000 people in the U.S. hospitalized with coronavirus, an increase of about 60% from a month ago. Dr. Anthony Fauci warns that American life may not return to normal until late next year.
The vaccine right now is not a substitute for the normal standard public health measures of wearing a mask, keeping your distance.
Every day, thousands of Americans are lost to the virus. Over the last week, the U.S. has averaged more than 2,200 COVID-related deaths per day. People like 86-year-old David Childress. Childress was a retired firefighter and a father of 5. He died on December 6th. His wife of 66 years, Judy, was by his hospital bed.
So many families don't get to do that, and even the ones that they're so sick, they're all alone, and I was blessed. I was just so blessed.
Blessed just to be able to say goodbye. Doctors are worried about a surge on top of a surge as millions of Americans get ready to travel for Christmas. The 2 leading deaths right now in the country are heart disease and, of course, the coronavirus. Tony?
Yeah, and the scale of the loss is hard to express. Jonathan, thank you very much.